Hey guys, my name is Joy Oniriku and I graduated Stratford High in 2013. My career goal is to become a pilot and that sparked my interest in aerospace, which led me to enroll in the program at Stratford High. I'm currently an electrical engineering major at Clarkson University because the classes that I enjoyed the most in the pre-engineering program, like digital electronics, had more to do with electrical engineering. And the things that I enjoyed the most about the robotics club had to do with electrical engineering. And that made me want to continue electrical engineering outside of high school. For me, the worst part of school is just sitting there listening to a teacher throw a bunch of information at you because I learn much better when I get to take the skills and the ideas that I'm being taught and implement them into hands-on projects. That's pretty much what you're doing in the pre-engineering program. So if you're like me, you like to, you learn better when you get to implement your ideas into projects, and I would recommend this course for you. One thing that I really liked about the course is that as you get further and further in, the projects become more independent. So, I mean, it got to the point where my partner and I would say, okay, this is what we're going to do today, and this is how we're going to do it, and that's what we did. The teacher becomes less and less involved in what you're doing. So if you want to take control of your project, I would recommend the pre-engineering program for you. Also, there are students at Clarkson University that come in as an engineering major after taking PLTW in high school. And I think a lot of them have scholarships, so I think that there's a correlation between PLTW and scholarships. So that's another area that you can benefit as well. Also, some of them who come in as an engineering major end up switching to something else. For example, if you like art, the skills, the programming skills that you learn from digital electronics will benefit you in the 21st century art. So don't think of the pre-engineering program as simply a program for engineering students. Think of it as a pathway into careers that involve teamwork, problem solving, troubleshooting, and creative thinking. Those were the four things that I learned from the pre-engineering program, and I think that they will benefit me throughout my career. They will benefit anyone throughout their career. So if you want those skills, I would recommend the pre-engineering program for you.
Hello, my name is Amaris Woodson and I graduated from Stratford High School in 2013. I now attend Cazenovia College in Cazenovia, New York, where I study interior design. I became interested in the pre-engineering program through the Gateway course in middle school, where I was able to work hands-on with my classmates as well as develop an understanding of what engineering really was. I was excited every day to attend that class, and it kept me engaged and kept my attention to what I was learning. I participated in the pre-engineering program for 4 years. I enjoyed every single year of the program, but I have to say that my fourth class was my favorite because I was able to work collaboratively with my classmates on a huge project that is based off of the knowledge that I learned in the 3 classes before. I was really able to apply the aspects that I learned in the 3 classes, such as problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, as well as developing my creativity. Personally, I didn't necessarily find the classes to be extremely challenging, although each class did progress in difficulty as the year went on. But everything you learn in the classes are important and necessary to succeed in any engineering field, even in the classes. As I stated before, I study interior design here at Cazenovia College, and I can say that the pre-engineering program definitely helped me decide what I wanted to study in college. Although interior design may not be directly related to the type of engineering you'll be learning about, such as mechanical engineering, the program definitely helped me develop a problem-solving mentality that any type of engineer needs. I was also involved with another program called ACE Mentoring, where I worked with professional architects and interior designers as well as other engineers related to those fields. And together we'd work on a year-long project that we'd eventually present to our families and friends and our teachers. And really through the projects, they take us through the process that they would go through to develop projects as their jobs. The ACE Mentoring program meant a lot to me because it helped me develop my presentation skills. I went in there being extremely shy and scared to present, but I left with a better confidence in presenting my ideas. Presenting is very important in college, and being able to develop presentation skills before I entered college was a great opportunity, and I'm very appreciative of the ACE mentoring program and helping me gain confidence in presenting. Here at Cazenovia College, I am involved in clubs and sports. I do play Division III basketball here. I am a part of the music club as well as a Bible study. And it's really important to get involved in your community, even in your high school. And it's because you'll have the opportunity to really interact with others and become comfortable with others as well. So I just encourage you all to really consider joining the pre-engineering program. It's definitely a program that will help you develop the skills you need to succeed in any type of engineering field, any career that you choose, even in your college career, such as, like I stated before, presentation skills, something you'll definitely need in college. So I just encourage you all to enroll into this program, and if you choose to, I can guarantee that you'll be happy.
Hi, I'm Shannon Carter, and I graduated from Stratford High School this past June. I'm currently attending Wentworth Institute of Technology in Boston, and my major is biomedical engineering. My 8th grade PLTW course encouraged me to continue on with engineering in high school. Ever since I was young, I knew I wanted to be a scientist, but in the PLTW course I learned that engineering is just the practical application of science to better the lives of people. I also really liked the idea of using modeling software to communicate what was in my head to people. And with the 3D printer, you could actually make it a tangible object. The high school pre-engineering courses are really great. I met a bunch of my good friends through them, and I also learned tons of skills. In my opinion, the courses were pretty easy. You definitely had to put in time and effort in order to get out good grades, but the material was all manageable. So like I said, I'm a biomedical engineering major. Basically, they work with hospitals and medical device companies to improve the current medical devices. They can also work with people to directly cure diseases, but that kind of falls under bioengineering. Biomedical engineering is basically just specialized bioengineering, so they can do most of what bioengineers can do, but then they also have more of a focus on the medical field. The pre-engineering program definitely helped mold my choice. The science classes I took in high school kind of affirmed that I had a passion for biology, and the pre-engineering program showed me that biomedical engineering was an option for me. The pre-engineering program showed me what was out there, and my other high school courses showed me what I was interested in. So really all of your classes work together to help you decide on what you want to go into. So far I'm very happy with my major. The work is a bit hard. The program here at the school is pretty intensive. They throw you right into your major instead of giving you like social science electives like most schools do. Right now I have about 19 credits, which I think is kind of high, but it's all very manageable. I still have time to hang out with friends. I still have time to do clubs. I just have to be very careful with time management. The pre-engineering program definitely helped me get ahead. My intro to biomed class this year is basically what the pre-engineering program was, so now I have more time to get a deeper understanding of the material rather than scrambling to learn new material. Some of the stuff that was expected that we knew, I learned in the pre-engineering program, and some kids didn't, and now they have to go get help for it. As far as extracurriculars, I'm involved in the student health educator group, and basically we teach other students about aspects of health, and we run programs and stuff around the campus. I'm also helping to begin a biomedical engineering society on campus. It was already in the works before I came here, but I joined up with some juniors, and we're working on that right now. And basically I'm adjusting pretty well. The pre-engineering program was definitely important to my decision, and as was the rest of high school, it's all very important. Also, it's good even if you're not into engineering. You learn good life skills in the program.